In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix audio echo in Microsoft Teams meeting. So if you are experiencing a lot of echoes in the background when someone speaks or when you speak, there are quite a number of issues that are causing this, and you can also fix them. First, you need to go to your meeting, and once you are in your meeting, go to more here, and under more, go to audio settings. You want to first toggle this on under high fidelity music mode, and if you toggle this on, make sure you select echo cancellation. Once you have selected this, then everything should be okay. Listen in. But in most cases, if this does not work, then the problem might be you have opened two programs running simultaneously on your computer. For that, you need to check if you have any other tab of the same meeting running on your computer. For instance, if I go back to my browser, I had also started the same meeting on my browser, and now these are two meetings that are running. You want now to make sure that you close this meeting and that now only one meeting is running. So that's how you can fix audio echo during your meeting in Microsoft Teams. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.